Hey guys, Captain Fata here, and in this video we're going to show you guys how to install the plugin. So there's just one really important rule here, guys. You must install the basic version first and activate the basic version, and then install the pro version and the multi version. So on the members homepage, if you click any of these links, the link will open up in a new page, and from there you can download the plugin. So just do that for all the 3 plugins, or the plugins that you have access to. You might have pro and basic, you might have pro, multi and basic. So just download the plugins that you have access to. Keep in mind, if you purchased, for example, pro, you must activate that link by clicking the link inside your JVZoo purchases, and from there you will be able to access the pages. So when you've downloaded the plugins, simply go over to your WordPress blog. Wherever you want to install this, guys, we recommend it install it on the blog that you use the most. Maybe you've got a tracking service, maybe you use it every day for checking other stuff. So just install it on the blog that you use the most. Go to add new. And a quick reminder, please upload the basic version first. So you've got JVZoo Extractor, this is the basic, and then you've got Pro, and you've got Multi. So I'm just going to upload the basic version first, and click Install. Once you've installed it, click Activate, and repeat the exact same step for the other 2 plugins if you have purchased these as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to get your API key for JVZoo.